After the sharing of my views, we see about the one of the topic that is a atomic spectroscopy. We see the principle of atomic spectroscopy. Atomic spectroscopy based on the when atom is absorbed the amount of the energy from the ground state. So this is the atom which is present in the ground state would absorb the some amount of the energy from the ground state, and that atom which is goes on the excited state. In the excited state, atom has a lifespan having 10 raised to minus 8 second. After the 10 raised to minus 8 second, that atom converted into chemical reaction. But below that, if suppose the no one of the electron is collided with each other, then that atom is retained at the excited state level after that 10 raised to minus 8 second, which is come into the ground state. When that atom is come into the ground state, then which excrete the some amount of the energy in the form of the light. So that light is coming from that atom, so which absorb from the ground state, which is returned into the ground state. When that atom goes into the ground state, that energy is excreted into the ground in the form of the light. So this is the basic principle of the atomic spectroscopy. Now we see the instrument in atomic absorption spectroscopy after the principle of absorption spectroscopy. In the atomic absorption spectroscopy, the certain instruments are as the first radiation of the source from which light can be created, and flame is ignite. Flame from that flame, we have to insert the sample in the atomizer, and flame is generated. After that flame, the monochromator is situated, and from after that detector. In that detector, how many elements are detected? And after that, the amplifier. From that detector, the signal is amplified into electrical signal is converted into mechanical signal is converted into the electrical signal, and so then here is a signal processor and a readout device. This is also called as a readout device. So this is a complete instrumentation in the atomic absorption spectroscopy. In that spectroscopy, so we have to getting or we have to see that is the principle of the absorption